We're following day one of the fake kidnapping murder trial of Jeannine Jaramillo that took place last week. The defense did not give an opening statement in this case. Now, so the first witness was actually called to the stand by the state. His name is Richard Musser, who called 911 at the urging of the defendant. That's part of this case that doesn't make a tremendous amount of sense. Now, after she told him that a man in her car was going to hurt her. Again, the state says there was never any man. Let's listen in.
Direct your attention to March 2nd, 2022. Did you have an occasion to be walking outside of your apartment that
Yes,
day?
I was about ready to run an errand, and I got to my car, and this white Malibu pulled up in front. It was perpendicular to the front end of my car, and so I couldn't go anywhere.
Okay.
The lady.
Let me stop you there. That's okay. Approximately what time of day was it?
Somewhere between 1:30, 2 o'clock.
Okay. Could it have been as early as about 11?
Pardon me?
Sorry, I know you have a hard time hearing. Could it have been as early as around 11 a.m.?
I don't think so.
Okay. And you said you were about to go to the grocery store?
Right.
Okay.
Just run an errand.
And you saw a white Chevy Malibu?
Yes.
And describe again, I think I interrupted you, how it came to your attention.
Okay. My car was parked in, I backed up into the parking lot and parked my car under the tarmac. And so I was going out, so my car was facing outwards. So I was going to get in and drive forward. Well, I couldn't because the car pulled right in front of it was perpendicular to the front of my car. And so I stopped and I said to myself, what's going on? And
Okay.
that's when.
Okay. And so where were you standing if your car was backed in and this car was perpendicular?
I was standing about 1.5 feet, 2 feet away from the driver's front door, driver's side door of my car.
Of your car.
Yes.
So how far was the other car away from you? Give us an estimate.
About 8 feet.
Okay. And which side of the other car, of the white Malibu, were you closest to?
The driver's side.
Okay.
The driver's side.
And could you see a driver?
Can I see what?
Could you see the driver?
Oh, yes, yes.
Describe the driver.
The driver was a female, about, I assumed about 30 to 35 years old at the time. I thought she had long hair, but it was probably more like shoulder length hair, and that's about it.
Could you see anyone else in the car?
Yes, I saw a gentleman sitting in the passenger side, and I couldn't really tell his feature because he was in the car. It was shaded. The tarmac of the parking lot was actually shading the car as well somewhat. So, I mean, he wasn't a silhouette, but I could see that it was definitely a male.
Okay. And this male, what was his demeanor like?
He was calm. He was somewhat calm, and he, when she was telling me that.
Well, let me ask you that in a second. Okay. Just his demeanor was calm.
He seemed calm, yes.
Could you see if he was holding anything?
It looked to me like he was holding something about the size of a billy club. I'm not saying it was a billy club, but I'm using that as a measurement tool.
Let's get a little more specific on that. So how long would you estimate this?
Maybe 18 inches, 12 inches, 18 inches, something like that.
Okay, so a foot and a half-ish.
A pipe.
Okay.
Stick.
A pipe, a stick, something along those lines.
Yeah.
Okay. And what was the demeanor of the driver?
She seemed a little anxious and somewhat excited.
Okay.
Like, well, she was telling me, could you help me? Could you call the police?
Okay.
He's going to hurt me, kill me, or whatever.
Okay. And could you see that he was threatening her in any way?
No, he wasn't.
And you said she asked for help from you. Did you give her help?
Help her by calling the police or getting help from someone or helping with him, which I was not going to intervene.
Okay. Did she seem injured at the time?
No.
So what did you do?
Well, I was, as she was shouting at me to get help and all this stuff, I was backing up. I was backing away from my car, and I was reaching for my cell phone. I said, ma'am, I said, I will call 911. I said, I picked up the phone, I got my phone, I picked up, I started calling 911, and she was still saying some stuff, but I wasn't paying attention, because I was backing off.
Okay, just one second. I'm going to approach the defense.